This video tutorial I will explain what is AWS S3 versioning. AWS S3 versioning is a feature that allows you to keep multiple versions of a single file in a bucket. This means every time you upload the file with the same name, S3 saves the new version of that particular file and keeping the old one also. It is like having a backup for each change made to your files. Why versioning is important? First point is data protection. If a file is accidentally deleted or overwritten, you can recover from the previous version. The second point is audit history. Keeps a record of changes to a file over the period of time. Third point is conflict resolution. Versioning is useful when multiple people or systems are working with the same files. How does versioning work? If version is enabled, every new upload or modification creates a new version of the file, and each version is assigned a unique version ID. If version is suspended, no new versions will be created, but the existing versions remain. Key features of versioning. First point is multiple versions. Keeps all version of an object or file. The second point is restoration. Allow you to retrieve or restore an older version of your file. Third point is deletion markers. If you delete a file, S3 does not erase it. Instead, it adds a delete marker. The file can be restored if needed. Now we will see example scenario of without versioning and with versioning. First we will see without versioning. If you upload the file named report.pdf and then upload another file with the same name, then the new file replaces the older one forever. Next we will see with versioning. Uploading report.pdf again creates a new version and older version is still there and the older version can be accessed if needed. Step 1. You upload a file named report.pdf to your bucket. On the first upload, the file name will be report.pdf and version ID is version 1. In the step 2, you upload an updated report.pdf. And in the second upload, the file name will be report.pdf and version ID will be v2. Both v1 and v2 exist in the bucket. The third step, you delete report.pdf. A delete marker is created, but both v1 and v2 exist in the bucket and can be restored. Considerations for versioning. First point is storage cost. Each version of the file uses space. So your storage cost may increase if there are many versions. Second point is file management. Over the period of time, multiple versions can pile up. So you may need to clean up older versions you no longer needed. Advantages of S3 versioning. The first point is accidental changes are safe. You can restore older version of files if something goes wrong. The second point is delete without fear. Even if you delete a file, you can restore it by removing the delete marker. Third point is team collaboration. Teams can work on the shared files without worrying about losing the important versions. You can enable versioning using AWS console or using AWS CLI. If you are using AWS CLI, then you have to use this command. If you are using AWS console, then go to S3 bucket, click on properties, then enable the bucket versioning option. We will see how to do that. Here you can see the bucket. It has 3 files. Click on properties and here you can see bucket versioning section. Click on edit and bucket versioning you can enable or suspend. I am enabling now. Click on save changes and bucket versioning is enabled. Now I am going to upload index.html again. Click on upload. Upload is successful. Click on show versioning. and here you can see this is the older version and this is the newer version. Here you can see the version ID. So both newer version and older versions are there. I will upload index.html again, and now you can see three index.html with different version. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.